Most people know me for eating weird stuff in my gut, like. But today, I'm doing it for real. What's up, everyone? My name is Justin, aka Some Tough Guy. You may know me from TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube. You may see me dressing up as a mom with a fire pan, mommy son, and you have seen me eating weird stuff you must get. I do all different kind of sketch to educate about my life as a deaf person. Today, I am going to do something different, and I'm really excited about this new content. Like I said, I'm going to do something different. No sketch, no action, nothing. Just real stuff. I have no clue what's coming, so let's get into this. I'm gonna go ask my manager to do something for me, so I'm gonna go invite him. Let's see what I can find. Oh, there it is. Hey, Bo. Hey, this is my manager, Patrick.
Yeah, what up?
Anyway, I have a favor to ask you. I'm doing something different. I need you to order 5 weird stuff for me to eat that you can find online, whatever.
Right.
Because what I'm gonna do is I want to do something different and new. So I need you to order weirdest food for me to eat it and review. I won't know. So can you do that?
Yeah. Very sure, Peter. I can order something.
Yeah,
Tại you probably vào đây.
I want to do this not just for you, but for you all.
Okay, I can start. Hand up.
Perfect. Thank you.
I'm started me the I am not the I'm an that. Take it quick, it's over. And that's why I'm real feel. I've looked it. Yeah. And I wish him the bad luck. God bless him. I hope he never let the Harry have to the film.
Remember, guys, I have no idea what he's gonna order. And the rules, I have to eat it, review it, and then rate from the worst to okay or the best. I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little scared. Yeah, come in. What's up?
I should feed all your eye. I'm not dying. Fish.
Finish.
Yeah. Yeah. Good luck. Alright, catch that.
Okay, Ryan, what time you want to arrive tomorrow?
In the morning, I think.
Okay.
What you let me know. I'm gonna watch you stop it.
Okay, you're welcome.
You owe me $500.
$500. Really? Tell me how much?
$53.
$53.
Yeah.
That's it.
Yeah.
Perfect. Alright.
But thank you.
Welcome. Thank you for your time.
Wow, that's happy.
Yeah. It's here. Gotta go get it. Gotta go get Patrick. Patrick! What's up? It's here now.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
I got this box and this bag. So today is the day.
I'm here. What's in it?
I'm about to find out.
I
Alright.
think you will pay me after it.
Probably, but we'll see what happens. To be honest with you, I'm really, really nervous, scared, and excited, but mostly scared. I'm sorry if I breathe too loud. Whoa. here's the first one. Oh, wow. I've seen this before, but I've never had it before because I'm terrified of this stuff. There's, I think this one is cricket or grasshopper. See that?
Okay. I go be before in Thailand. Thought that I had to try it.
This is. Oh, no, I'm not.
I'm a bit, but it's more.
But how not? How not? It takes for me to suck it. I'm gonna start with this one. Just to be safe. I'm gonna start with that one, so. This one has apple flavor and has ant necks. I'm sorry, Mom, if you're watching this. The apple flavor is good, but haven't tried the ants yet. What? This is gonna take forever. They better be dead, for real. So this ant right here. I'm gonna try, take this bite. Look at that. Woo! It tastes like apple, but I can taste the crunchy mix of something. I taste it, but I can't describe. It's like crispy. We'll hold on to this little banana, okay? So here we go. Fried chicken candy. Fried chicken candy. Don't get me wrong. I love fried chicken. I love any kind of chicken. Wings, breast, thighs. I love all of the chicken. This smells just like fried chicken.
Really?
Come here. Yeah, smell. Yeah. This is what it looks like. Okay, here goes. I don't know. It tastes like, when you leave fried chicken and that stays there for a day, 2 days without touching it. That's what it tastes like. The problem is I have to suck it out and swallow it. I just want to get over it. That was bad. That was bad. Never chew it. Next one. Pickleballs. This might not be weird, but I like pickles, but I don't like the cold pickles. I love fried pickles. That's it. I think I'm okay with this. So, good choice. Smells like pickles. So, 3 puffs. I mean, it's not bad. It does taste sour, pickles, juice, and stuff like that, but it's not that bad. So, this is okay. I'm okay with this. Better than the last two, especially fried chicken. Spam. Spam maple. I know this is very popular in Hawaii, I believe. Is it's pork. I like the smell of this. It doesn't taste like pork. I can taste a little bit of the maple, but it tastes like, I don't know, maybe, tofu or something like that. But
That it tastes better if you cook it.
I think so because it looks like cooks.
Right.
What if it's not fully cooks? Is it? Hold on, let me see. Oh, okay. It says fully cooks, ready to eat, so I'm good. I'm safe. I'm safe. it says hot or cold, so okay. What is this?
That's champagne. Nó bây giờ cặp, là cặp.
See that? It says can oden with Gelmo frying tofu and bacon. What I don't even know what that is. It doesn't smell good. Doesn't smell good. It smells awful. But oh, it's the egg yolk. Egg yolk. First of all, it sticks, and the aftertaste. What is this? I'm only gonna have another bit of this, so that's enough for me. It tastes like a white noodle. Look at this. Look at this. What is this? I don't know why I'm doing this, but I asked for this, so okay. It tastes like soaks, but what is this? See, added that to tofu.
Okay.
Just a little bite. That's it. No matter how big or small it is, I'm still an idiot. That was not bad. It just tastes like spicy, spicy, chewy. So that's okay. Just to be clear, I love Japanese food like hibachi, rice, chicken, just like that. But this, no. Sorry. Okay, this is okay. What is this? Look at this. It's okay. I'm just gonna take a bite. I don't even know what it is, so they smell awful. It smells like an old soup that you can't finish it. I don't know how you people eat that stuff.
That's bad. That's leave it out.
Tastes just like strawberry. Strawberry, so I'm not gonna have this. I'm done. So this is my last one. I'm done. Last one. My finger smells like fish from that kind of soup. Disgusting.
Take the head off.
Ah, I bite the head and hand thing, Oh, take. I survived, and that's all that matters. I'm happy. It's over. This is the worst. It's bad. It smells like fish juice. The next one is fried chicken Katie. Take my advice. Don't chew it. It's the worst part. So this is the fourth one. To be honest with you, it doesn't taste like pork, and I taste a little bit of maple. Um, I'm not really impressed with this one. Number two, I'm gonna say these suckers. Poor Scorpion, I'm sorry. And again, I had some of these. See that? I'm gonna give them number two because I love the taste of the apple flavor, strawberry flavor. But once you eat the box, it just tastes like crispy chips, whatever, you know. You can taste a little bit of the bugs, but still, you can manage that. So, I like that. I like that. This is the winner. I picked this one. I like this one better than all of these. So, we'll see. This is definitely better than any of these. So, I'm happy about this. Go with the pickle balls. Which one would you eat of these? Would you eat that, with this, with that, or whatever? Well, I'm going to add the Amazon link in the description so you can click, you find it on Amazon, and then you test it out for yourself. Maybe make a video of yourself and send it to me. I would love to see your reaction to it. Before I go, please subscribe, like, and leave in the comment. Tell me what you would like to see me to do next time I see you. So I'll see you next time.